Yeah, yeah, I'll look at all the birds out there. Beat on the bird feeder. Let's see if I can make it come in a little bit. Whoops. Oh, okay, I know. Here we go. Whoops. There we go. Uh, aren't they so pretty? And then I'm not only I enjoy them, but look at this. There's Tiger watching them, and there's Shadow watching them. See, they enjoy watching the birds too. I think before that there was this big bird out there, and I think it was a woodpecker, but I'm not too sure. I don't know. Oh yeah, see here he's right there. I think he's a woodpecker, but I'm not too sure. Aren't they so cute? Nope, sorry. And now all I have to do is get a bird book, and then look at the book every time I see a different bird. See, see, that is that bird. I don't know what he is, but he has a orange belly. Oh, and there's my doves. Let me see if I can get one. There we are. Look, there's two of them there. Aren't they so cute? I only see two this time. Before there was four. Now let me get up and see if I can see any more. Nope, there's two. I don't know where that the other two went. Aren't they so cute? You know, then sometimes I see the squirrel come around. And so there's Tiger and Shadow. They are looking at the doves. Look at Shadow. Look at Tiger. And Shadow's right there, right beside Tiger watching the doves. Yeah, they love to sit and watch the birds. You know, they can sit like this for hours and just watch the birds. You know, which it does give them something to do. You know. Yep. You see, now there's that bird again. I don't know what type he is. Isn't that so pretty? They are so cute. And then there's the doves again. If I can find them with the cam. There he is. Whoops, I don't know. They just flew away. Something scared them. I don't know what it was. I don't see nothing out there. Yeah, I know, Tiger. Something scared the birdies, didn't they? Huh? Oh, big yawn. Yeah, something scared birdies, huh? Well, I'm sure that they'll be back. Ooh. Oh, there's that. Maybe that's what scared them. Yeah, it's a um I think it's a crow. Well, Peter flew away. Well, that bird, no, that bird did not get scared yet. So he is in the bird feeder munching down. Because I think that that's a finch. I think. Well, okay. I guess that's about it. What are you looking at, Tiger? I don't see nothing over there. Tiger, Tiger, now say bye bye to the birdies. I mean, to the people. Say bye bye. Say bye bye. Yeah, I'll make it go down a little bit. No. There, so then Tiger won't be so big. Tiger, say bye byes to the people. And there's Shadow. He's still looking at the birdies. And then his tail was wagging. It was, yeah. See. Okay, well, see you guys later.